Dear students, I am Dr. Mahesh Shirulal, Assistant Professor, Department of Roganidana. In the last video, we discussed about what is Rajakshma, what are its different concepts, then Shoshasha Ayatana. So, in detail about Shoshasha Ayatana we have discussed. Now we'll see about the Samprapti of the Rajakshma. Okay. See. Samprapti of Rajakshma. For each ayatana, actually, the samprapti is different. If you see the Samanya samprapti of the Rajakshma, it is Kafa Pradane Doshair Rudrastu Urasa Vatmastu Ativavai Va Apikshino Retaso Antaraha Kshiyante Dadavaha Sarvaha Tat Shuyanti Man. See, it is Kafa Pradana Tridosha. First, we should think that it is Kafa Pradana Tridosha Javadi. Due to the any ayatanam, if the person indulges in any Chaturvida ayatanam, then it will lead to the Shosha. But here he is telling about Kshayaja Samprapti. See, what he will tell? Ativavaino va apikshino retasa antaraha kshiyanti datavaha. When dhatus are getting kshina, so dhatus will get kshina because of Chaturvida ayatana, then it will make the shoshana of the manavaha. See, two things. One is kshaya of the dhatus. It may be from the rasa rakta mamsa, or it may be from the shukra up to the rasa. So step by step, there will be the kshaya of the dhatus. So when the kshaya of the dhatus will take place, it will lead to the shoshana of the manava. And it is called as Kafa Pradana Tridosha Jagadi. Why? How we will see in the next slides. Coming to the Shosha Purva Rupa, a very interesting Shosha Purva Rupa. We see these all the things in the clinically as the prodromal symptoms, that is the Samani Purva Rupani Bhavanti Tadyata Pratishaya. Okay, then Kshavatu, Abhikshanam, Sleshma Praseka, Mukamadhuryam, Anannabilasha, etc. See, he will tell a list of Pururupas. He will tell the list of Pururupas. Like Pratishaya. Person will start the repeated Pratishaya. Then he will have the Kshavatu, Abhikshanam. Then Sleshma Praseka, Mukamadhuryata, Anannabilasha. See, Annakale Ayasa. The persons will show a particular, will exhibit some particular lakshanas as a Purarupa. Will start have the aversion towards the food. When the person, in the time of the meal comes, he will lose his appetite. He will have the sweetness, Mukamadhurata will be there. Dosha darshanam. See, here dosha means it's not the tridosha, or it is all the doshas, lakshanas will be seen, or the mala lakshanas also will start to appear in the Purva Rupa. Then Shopa may happen, Mukasya Padayascha, Shopa may occur. Then his respiratory pattern may change. Person may start the Kasa. Then he will have the Swapna, like Kaye, Swapne, Abhikshanam, Darshanam, Udakasanam, Shunyata, Udakasthana Shunyata. That means you will see the dry dams or the rivers, etc. Very particular Pura Rupas need to be assessed in the patients. Person will start seeing in the Swapna, that is, all the dams or the water reservoir became dried. That is Shunyata, Udakasana Shunyata. These are and Vananam, Kuka, etc. Very particular Swapna Pururupas. You will see in Vana only some very Shoshita or very lean animals are there, or only some birds like the crow will be running. These all the Swapnas can be seen in the Shosha Pururupa. Coming to the Rupa. See, we have Tri Rupa of Rajakshma, then we have Ekadasha Rupa, Shad Rupa of the Rajakshma, and the Ekadasha Rupa of Rajakshma. So, why this Rupa of Rajakshma is important? As in the earlier video, we discussed that Rajakshma is not a single disease. It is a group of disease. It is a syndromic appearance. For that, there should be some criteria. So when we can tell that this is the Rajakshma, means first 3 rupa of Rajakshma. Minimum 3 rupas should be there. Without these things, we can't consider it as the person has become Rajakshmi. Or person has started the Rajakshmi. That is Tribhavi Piditam Linger Jvara Kasa Asugamayi. See, person will start the Jvara Kasa Asugamayi. So these are very, very important 3 rupa. Minimum lakshanas has to be seen in to make the diagnosis of Rajakshmi. Jvara, Kasa, Asrugamaye, and person will have the Shosha and the Kshaya. Then we can tell that person has become very lean, person has started the Jvara, person has started the Kasa, person if starts vomiting, there will be the Rakta. Then we can tell that yes, this person has started the Rajakshma. This is the first criteria and minimum criteria to make the diagnosis of Rajakshma. Okay. Next is Ekadasha Rupa Rajakshma and Shadrupa of Rajakshma. Kaso, Amsa Santapo, Vaiswaryam, Jvara, Pashvashiroruja, Chardanam, Raktakapayoho, Shwasaha, Varchogado, Aruchihi, Rupani, Ekadashani, Yakshmanihi. So these are Ekadasha Rupa of Rajakshma. Then Shadmaniva, Kaso, Jvaro, Pashvashula, Swara, Varchogado, Aruchihi. See, if he is having all the lakshana, then the roga is balva. If he is having the less lakshana is among the Ekadasha Rupa and Shadrupa, then the rogi bala is good. Now, so what are these? Ekadasha Rupa, we'll see one by one. Ekadasha Rupa of Rajakshma. Kasa. So Kasa is very, very important, and minimum it should be there. Kasa and Jvara should be there. Without that we can't make and the Shosha and Kshay. Person has become emaciated, person Dhatus has become Kshaya, and person is having these lakshanas. See, Ekadasha of Rupa of Rajakshma, Kasa, Amsa Santapa, Vaiswarya, Jwara, Pasharuja, Shiroruja, Chardana, Raktakapayoho, Shwasa, Varchogada and Aruchi. See, you will have the Kasa, you will have the Asantapam. Amsa Santapa, Vaiswarya, his voice will be changed. Then Jwara, minimum criteria. Parshvaruja, you will have the pain in rib cages and the parshvas. Shiroruja, Chardi, repeated Chardi will be taking place. And if he is having the Chardi, then it will have the Rakta and Kapha. Shwasa, Varchogada is the Tisara and the Aruchi. If these all the Lakshanas are seen, then also we can tell that this person is full-fledged Rajakshma. If only Three Rupa is there, then we can tell that yes, it's starting straight. If the Ekadasha is seen, it's the full-fledged Lakshanas of the Rajakshma. Shad Rupa of Rajakshma, Kasa, Jwara, Parshashula, Surabeda, Varchogada and Aruchi. A medium. What it tells? Kasa, Jwara, Parshashula, Surabeda, Varchogada and Aruchi. Kasa and Jwara is common. It is from the Three Rupa, it may be the Shad Rupa, it may be the Ekadasha Rupa. Kasa and Jwara is a must with the Shosha and Kshaya for the diagnosis of the Rajakshma. With that, you will be having the Parshashula, Surabeda, Varchogada and the Aruchi. If you are seeing any of these group of Lakshanas, then or disease, then we can tell that this is a classical Rajakshma. And these all the Lakshanas should be with the Shosha and the Dhatukshaya. Simply person is having Kasa and Jwara, we can't tell that Rajakshma. Kasa, Jwara with the Shosha and Dhatukshaya, then only you can tell that it is the Rajakshma. So, Three Rupa of Rajakshma, Ekadasha Rupa of Rajakshma and Shad Rupa of Rajakshma. Just for the repetition, Three Rupas are Jwara, Kasa, Asrug Amaye. Ekadasha Rupa, Kasa, Amsa Santapa, Vaiswarya, Jwara, Pasharuja, Shiroruja, Chardi, Raktakafa, Shwasa, Varchogada and Aruchi. Shadrupa, Kasa, Jwara, Parshashula, Surabeda, Varchogada, Aruchi. Okay, very important for your both academic purpose and for the clinical purpose. Generally asked question. Okay. Then similar concept Ekadasha Rupas from the other authors or from the different context, that is अत ऊर्ध्व एकादश रूपाणि तस्य भवन्ति तद्यथा शिरसः परिपूर्णत्वं कास श्वास स्वरभेद श्लेष्मचर्दि शोणितष्टिवन पार्श्व संरोजनम अंसावमर्दः ज्वर अतिसार अरोचकस्य. Similar lakshanas, but some namings are changed. Okay. Very interestingly, if you see the Rajakshma chapter, after every ayatana, the Charakacharya will give some footnotes, or it's called as the guidance. Why you should not do the sahasa, why you should not do the kshaya, why you should not do the sandharana, etc. See, he will tell that, and he will tell us the importance of jivanam. Sahasam varjayet karmaha rakshat jivitam atmanah. Jivanam hi purusha stivanam karmanam phalam ashrute. See, why you should, after the sahasa ayatana, he will tell that this quotation. He will tell that you should make the version of sahasa. Sahasam orjayet karma. Why? Because you need to make the rakshan of the jiva and atma. Why? Because jiva, atma are the factors which will give the purushartha chatushtaya. So always avoid the sahasa. Bhavanti sarvayadam paritejit. See, very very important, still holds for the present context. We will tell that sarvam anyam paritejit shariram anupalayet. Tad bhavehi bhavanam sarva bhavaha shariram. See, we will tell that leave everything. Sarvam anyam paritejit. Whatever there in the world, you leave it and make the sharira anupalana. He will tell us in the context of Rajyakshma. See, he will tell that leave all the things and give the first preference for Sharira Anupalana, and which is what's good still even in the COVID time. Leave everything, first protect yourself. First protect your Sharira. Sarvamanyam paritejit. Leave everything, protect yourself, because it is the Purushartha Karana. Okay? Then why you should, what is the importance of ahara? Why you should give that much importance for the ahara? Aharasya param dhanam shukram tad akshayam atmanaha chayo hasya bahunam roganam na niyaschanti. See, give the importance for ahara and the shukra. Both will make the dharana of your deha. Give the importance for ahara. Take the good food, timely food with the Ashtavida Visheshayatana, ahara Visheshayatana, and protect the shariram, protect the shukra. That's they will make the protection of your body. Otherwise, bahunam roganam maranam na vinischeti. The person, if he is not good with the ahara and the practice of the shukra, he will have the bahu roga and he will have the marana, niyaschati. He is telling definitely. Okay, for that, give the importance for ahara and the shukra. Okay. And lastly, we will tell that tatra hitashi samitashi sat bhojakalini jitendriyaha paschat rogan bahunam kashtan buddhiman vishamashana. If you are really intelligent, leave the vishamashana. Take the hitahara, kalaja ahara. Hitashi, mitashi, kala, bhojana, and jitendriya. You should have a control over your food habits. For that only, he is explaining the nidhanas for Rajyakshma in 4 headings. That is Sahasa, Sandharana, Vishamashana, and Vikshaya. Okay, so this is for Vishamashana. This Hitashi is for Vishamashana. Footnote for the Vishamashana. This is for the Kshaya from the Ahara or from the Shukra. Ahara because Anulomakshaya, Shukra, Pratilomakshaya. Then this is for Vegadharana, and this is for Sahasa. So you should make the version of Sahasa, Sandharana, Vishamashana, and Kshaya Karanas. Okay. Then coming to the Shosha. So this is about the Rajyakshma. Why it is called Rajyakshma? What are the detailed view of Chaturvida Ayatana of the Rajyakshma and its different Lakshanas. 3 Rupa of Rajyakshma, Ekadesha Rupa of Rajyakshma, and Shad Rupa of the Rajyakshma. In the next video, we will discuss about Shosha Lakshanas. So, small concept, it is bit different from the Shosha, but it is a prerequisite for the Rajyakshma. Okay, so we'll see about the Shosha in the next videos. Thank you.